Welcome back to Adam's DIY Universe, and I've had a little bit of advice from one of the viewers that when stringing the crosses it's better to string from the top here to the bottom where the throat of the racket provides a little bit more support and against the pressure that builds up as you string at tension doing the crosses. If you're stringing this way, the pressure is going to build this way and there's less support here. Also, this area gets worn more when players are playing, you know, you're hitting the ground and things like that, so things become a little less strong in this area, so that does make sense. So I'll start here on the crosses. We go over, under, over, under. All that tight. And pop it through this area, this hole here, which is marked with black handily, and we loop it over and through to make the knot. Pull that nice and tight, grab your tool, pull that tight, through again, so you make your loop and through, grab the tool, double knot and pull it nice and tight. Then we go around, just check it's on 52 and pull that one, and you're away, stringing your crosses in a downward direction towards the throat of the racket. And you go over, under, in the opposite to what you've got going here. So if you go over here, you go under on the next one.